All right, everybody. Pouring our concrete back. We're gonna have framers here on Monday. For the framers, right here where our main water shutoff is, we're gonna come up to 36 inches, and I will bring in a steel door for this to go in the wall, so I have access to it at all times. And we will go ahead and start our framing and then move over to the restroom group, and that'll allow us to start roughing in walls and those other items that are oh so dear to our construction hearts. So you all have a great weekend. Enjoy Martin Luther King Day, which is Monday. And can you believe it that we're almost finished with January?